Hello. So, ngayon is gagawa ko ng or maglalagdag ako dito sa command shell ng pattern like for loops. Gagawin ko lang ngayon is square. Ito mga nagawa so far. So, ls. And then, meron tayong add, calculator, echo, exit, folders, list, parent with directory, and the pattern, which is yung ilalagay natin yan. Kuha ko ng dagdag ako dito ng isa. Just as if cmd is equals to path cout. Okay, first square muna. Okay, kuha naman tayo ng input. We can set this just for kung gaano ka like kahaba and then kalapad. Ano lang, height and width, h and w, height and width. Okay, then since naka tayo ng input, kahit tayo ng switch case desired das. Okay, if yung desired nya is 1 for in I is equals to 0. Wait, let's see. I is equals to 0 while I is less than the long and the width. Wait, let's actually put this here. Square is like fair and square like that. Wait, let's make it 2 by 2. So like same height and width. Okay, and then we can say I++ for an increment. Nag-declare tayo ng inner loop, and then int j is equals to 0. J is less than height and width, then j++, and then ano yung gusto nating output? Let's see, asterisk na lang. Why not? Okay, mas ganda yung hashtag. Okay, now after this hashtag is now all this like line there. Okay, so let's say path, and then the moment we only have one, and then how long is the width? We want 5. Okay, so now you can say that this is okay. So paano gumagana yung ano natin program? So let's look at this part here. Alam na natin yung height and width ng ano, which is yung user, which is 4. So since dalawang best naman natin siya, so square siya. So hindi na natin kailangan na pingwi pa ng isa pang input. So of course the outer loop muna, int I is equals to 0. Since yung I is equals to 0, we'll now proceed with the checking. So is I less than h and w? Is I less than w, which is 0 less than 4? If yes, we'll proceed now with the inner loop. So later na tong incrementation, since mangyayari lang yan after ng loop natin, which is nasa loob ng outer loop. So after that is yung inner loop naman tayo. So j is equals to 0. So checking ulit, which is j less than h and w. So if yes, we'll print out the hashtag, which is of course yes, hashtag. And then now we will now proceed with the second part, since di pa na natapos to, and ayun lang yung pinaka start ng loop nya. Now next is, so since now j is equal to 0, so since natapos na tong pinaka unang inner loop natin, we'll now proceed with incrementing the j, which is magiging 1 na siya. And then sunod nyan is j less than 4, I mean 1 na siya ngayon, So if yes, we'll now print again the hashtag. And then proceed lang yan. So magiging 2 na siya, increment 2, 2, hashtag, and then 3, 3, and then hashtag. Okay, so now, since 3 na siya, j++, 4, now 4. Now, is 4 less than 4? Okay, syempre hindi. Kaya, mangyayari. Tapos na yung pinaka-loop niya, and then we'll now end that line and proceed with the next line. So, ganun pa rin siya, mangyayari. Now, of course, mangyayari sa next patch natin, hindi na siya magiging 0, which is, of course, tapos na yung inner loop. So, itong outer loop is may increment na siya, and yung I is magiging 1, and then 1, and then so on. Okay. So, there we go. So, overall, that's how this pattern works, or the main command shell of mine of how its pattern designing works.